Hi, everybody. It's Ms.Salazar speaking, and welcome to Art. Today, we are going to focus on learning about this title right here that says Seres vivos como nosotros. So, basically, we're going to be doing two things today. We're going to be learning about lines. Now, there are a bunch of different types of lines, but today we're going to be focusing on five types of lines. Five types of lines. We have, let's see, number one, we have horizontal. And as you can see right here in the white space, we have a blue line that goes from side to side. So this, let's see if you can see. Okay, there you go. This would be a horizontal line. This would be a horizontal line because it goes from side to side. From side to side. Now, if you have a vertical line, which is line number two is vertical, then it would be like this. This would be vertical. You see? And that's actually the second line right beneath the horizontal one. So let's see. Here you have the horizontal line from side to side, and then you have the vertical line, which goes from up to down, up and down. That's the vertical line. So this is horizontal, and this is vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Now, the diagonal or the slant line, it's the same thing, they just have different names. Diagonal or slant, and then that would be this one right here, which is kind of like this. Like this. You see? Diagonal. Diagonal or slant. Diagonal or slant. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Okay? And then you have line number four, which is the curve, which is kind of like a C. It's a line and it's curved. So imagine that this is the line, right? I have a diagonal or slant line, and then I want to curve it. So now I have a curved line. You see, now I have a curved line. And this one's pretty easy because it looks like a C. So curve starts with the letter C. So that means that the line is going to be like the letter C, curved, right? And then you have the parallel lines, parallel. Now the parallel lines are just basically two lines right next to each other. They never touch. They never ever touch. They're just right next to each other. Okay? That they're called parallel. That's why they're called parallel because they're exactly the same. In this case, it's not exactly the same because I was writing it digitally, but parallel lines are exactly the same length. They're exactly the same length and they are always right next to each other. So this would be horizontal, this would be vertical, this would be diagonal or slant. You see, it's kind of like a little bit tilted, diagonal or slant. Then you have the curve line, which is curved, right? It's curved. And then you have the parallel lines. Parallel lines. They never touch, they're always right next to each other. Okay, so this is a video about tracing basic lines. Let's see if you can see this. If not, I will be adding the video to LMS so you can watch it right there. See? Across. Across from side to side. There you go. So it's exactly what I said, except this video doesn't really talk about the parallel lines. But what I said before, parallels, two lines right next to each other, they never touch, and they're exactly the same length. Oh boy. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Finally. Okay. So this is your assessment. This is assessment, the first part at least, because you will be doing 2 pages of assessment. So this one is page 2, and it's called Una casa para mi mascota. And it's in your art textbook. And basically, what you are going to be doing is that you're going to be tracing a house for a dog. Like this picture right here. You're going to be tracing a house for a dog, and you're going to be using lines. You're going to be using horizontal lines, horizontal, vertical, diagonal, curved, and parallel lines. And as you can see right here, we have obviously a diagonal line for the roof of the house. Then you have a vertical line, then a horizontal line right here, horizontal. You have a curved line, and you even have parallel lines right here for the entrance. You see? So you are going to be making um a house, but you're going to be doing that by connecting the dots. So you see those dots right here? You're going to be connecting those dots together, and you're going to be making the house, and you're going to use the ruler to make sure that the lines are perfectly straight. So remember that a ruler is a science tool. A ruler is a science tool, and you're going to be using that science tool to draw that doghouse. Okay? Let's see. There you go. So this is a very cute video of a baby chick, the birth of a baby chick. Let's see. You can see he's in there. He's trying to get out. Okay, pause. So you might be thinking to yourself, why am I watching this video? Well, you're going to watch this video. It's just a little bit like a little fun thing to watch, because in the second part of your assessment, which is the other page that you have to do, it basically shows you pictures of baby chicks. So I mean, I thought it would be a really fun idea for you guys to see this. And it's just a baby chick that's literally trying to get out of the shell of the egg. Let's see if I can play it forward. So he's still inside the egg and he's trying to get out. Let's see. You see? He's trying to get out. And let's see. There you go. He's almost out. If you want to watch the entire video, you can do that in LMS because I will be adding that video as well. There's the beak, el pico, the beak. Let's see. Okay. And then we have finally, I think this part is the end. There you go. See? There you go. So that's the birth of a baby chick. Now, in let's see. There you go. So this is the other part of your assessment, which is page 3, and it's called ¿Qué saldrá de este huevo? So basically, what you just saw was the birth of a baby chick. And in this page, in this part of your assessment, page 3, you have the birth of a baby chick. The first picture is the little baby chick coming out of the egg, and then you have step 1, step 2, and step 3. He's out of the egg. He's super small and really yellow. And then in the third picture, he's a little bit bigger. So, what you're going to do is that you're going to be drawing your own animal, right? Your own animal. You're going to invent your animal. It can be a mix of a baby chick with a lizard if you want, anything, really. And look at the instructions. Observa en la fotografía cómo crece el polluelo, the baby chick. Inventa un nuevo animal que nazca del huevo. Dice sorpresa y dibuja sus fases de crecimiento. So basically, you're going to be inventing your own little animal that comes out of its own shell. Okay, so be creative, be fun, do whatever you want. Let's see. I think, yeah, that'd be all. That would be it, you guys. Take a picture of page 2 and page 3 and send it to LMS. Bye, everybody.